Yeah.
Just standing here, see how long it takes you to say hello to everybody.
Yeah.
Just a yay? Just like that? Just a yay?
Yeah.
Well, anyways, since he's not really saying much, I don't know what he's doing over here. Some grounds. So, but he gave the consult. Is it the consult?
What?
You gave the approval to put this fender back on?
Absolutely.
So that's what we're gonna do. Here's the fender, a little musky, a little dirty. We're gonna put the fender on. And as you guys saw in the previous video, we installed his carpet, his seats, and he just picked up that gnarly steering wheel right there. I don't know why he wants to put it on yet, but so let's get this fender buttoned up. Look at the walk, man. Oh yeah, and there you go. And we're gonna try to get our replacement compressor today, if Batman ever shows up with the truck. So let's get this fender on. Oh, snaps.
Oh, it stinks.
I don't think anybody wants to hear your fart or smell it. You guys are lucky you guys are not here right now because this mop farts stink. So I was gonna put on the fender and then he made me take it off. I don't know why. You wanna explain to the people why you didn't feel comfortable about?
I don't like that ground.
You don't like the ground. So he's talking about this ground that he just installed. So what I'm assuming is you probably installed the ground on this side that you liked more.
Yep.
And that's why you're gonna go back to this side and now fix it? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you wanna say?
No.
Still got a tighter. She's a little on the loosey side, but that's how she's looking. Look at this angle right here. Right there. It almost looks like a complete vehicle. So, what are you struggling with over here?
I'm putting this bottom one in.
The ponga. How do you feel to get a key on your ass?
I love it.
Love it?
My family brought a key.
Was it a major key alert?
It was the West Key.
Was it West key?
Yeah.
So not a major key alert?
No, I mean,
Come on, man. Get this car going. Let's get it out of here. Can we hurry up?
I'm done.
You already put those two grounds?
Yeah.
So put those two grounds. Fenders are on. We just gotta buckle those daytime running lights. And then the only thing holding us to put the radiator back is that dumb white wire that you see right there. This one.
How's this?
That's gonna be for his battery,
That's the one you
alternator and starter.
You bought what?
No, they gave him free white. He bought that red one. But since he only bought 13 feet, we only had enough to go from there to the back. So he picked up that from work, so we went from there. There. But he took the piece that was on the alternator and starter. But anyways, enough about Batman.
What is?
Anyways, man, oh, but look at it on the bright side. He's gonna bring us a compression test today. Tester. So we can saw that M45 V8 over there. Is it an M45 V8? What kind of motor do we have over here?
It's a 2.5.
But what are they called? They don't have a special name for them?
Yeah, they do. I don't know it.
I know they do have a special name. But this is probably nothing special. Man, look, all tires are flat again, dude. Too bad we ain't got no compressor to fill them up.
That'd be nice. Looks like we won't have it till tomorrow now.
Well, by the looks of it, this cat,
And where are we at right now?
I don't know.
244.
Let's give him another call. Call him. Let's see what he has to say now. Let's see what Senor Batman has to say now. Let's see what his excuses for not being here yet is. Let's get the sweater all dirty. It's a nice sweater, huh, guys? No answer.
No answer.
Your call has been forwarded
Wow.
to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
You're dead to
If
me.
you are satisfied with your message, press 1 to listen to your message. Press 2
He took too long.
3 to continue recording where you left off. Message erased. At the tone, please re-record your message. At the end of your message, press 1.
You're dead to me.
If you are satisfied with your message, press 1 to listen to your message. Press 2 to erase message.
You're dead to me.
Satisfied
Oh.
with your message.
Anyways, the reason we're waiting for Batman is because he was gonna bring a truck so we can take this back to the store because they sold us a defective one and we need to get the replacement. But we've been waiting on this truck since noon and it is now about to be 3.
So we're looking at the razor, Polaris razor. They want a rewire job.
I don't think they want it, I think they need it.
Well, no, he wants it. If he wants it to run nice, he wants it. So there's some cable and stuff down here. I don't even know. I have to look this up. So here's what I'm thinking, and I mean, I know he's your cousin, so I mean, you tell me what you want to do, but winch install is going to be 2 hours. Light bar install is going to be 2 hours.
Well, it has a winch and it works.
It worked.
Well, yeah.
Your tense is all wrong.
Well, he claims it worked. He cries wolf.
Anyways, so it's 2 hours for a winch install, 2 hours for this light bar. Then the rewire of whatever this is up here to see tuck.
I think that's the radio.
Okay, so this is going to be another probably 2 hours. So I just want him to realize that this is going to probably.
So what he's trying to say is that if this was somebody else's razor, it'd probably be about 1,500, $2,000, and just labor plus parts. But since he is family, and I guess I kind of like him, we gotta give him a discount.
No, you just pick up the slack.
Well, we kind of gotta give him a discount, and we gotta pick up the slack. So it's gonna be labor plus parts. So start getting your wallet ready, because I know you're watching. Did you gas, bro?
No.
You sure?
Well, you know what I do? I'm like, haha. Sure did.
Sure smells like street nice up in here. What are you gonna do?
I'm getting work.
Do you want to leave it there, or you want to move it somewhere else and
I like it
maybe?
here.
Huh?
I like it here.
You like it there?
Yeah, I want to know what this is for.
All right. So, you know the razor is a complete different video, right? Okay, he's aware of that. So, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and wait. We're gonna wait on Batman and see what the deal with that is, and we'll be back. Batman! Say hi to everybody.
I want you to know the statement that Randy made while you were not here.
I said,
Go ahead.
turn off the truck, brother. Don't waste some fuel up in there.
And hey, you gotta back it up to the ramp over here, guy.
Just leave him, bro. You know how long that took him?
There's 9 kids in there, truck.
9 kids. Jesus, he brought the whole squad. Well, good thing this is a shop and not a daycare, cause Jesus. Imagine if we had a daycare. So my statement was, I'm gonna make sure I don't call you when I'm dying. Cause I'll die. We called you 3 times, bro.
That was an emergency.
And then you took 2 hours. How are you gonna know if it's an emergency or not if you don't answer?
They have text messages.
What's up, guys?
We took it upon ourselves to begin on the razor. Well, you took it upon yourself to begin on the razor. I said let's hold off, but you went ahead and do it. So, this is how the razors look.
Guess what, Primo? You're committed.
Yep.
You don't know the price?
Güero, I'm sorry, dude. You didn't sign the contract yet, but you are now committed, even though you are unaware of your total damage here. All we could say is just start preparing the wallet, son, because this is how your razor is looking right now. Your door's out, windshield's right there, your flares are out, your hood's gone. This door's about to be out as soon as that seat's out. Hey, easy there. Funny. So, yep, this is how she's looking. But this is gonna be for another video. But we didn't record none of this removal. I don't know why. Well, because we didn't want to mix it up with the Civic content. But now that Mr. Batman is here, there's really nothing to do to the Civic. So we're gonna load up this compressor onto that truck. And we're gonna go to the store and replace it. So I got bad news for you. I'm gonna tell them to you on camera or off camera.
Money, I don't want to hear it. I'm tired of paying money.
No,
It's not something you don't know.
it's. I wouldn't say it's money because you already spent it,
No, it's money.
but I would say it's money
Oh,
because
it's money. All right.
you already spent it.
What?
So you want me to say it on camera or off camera? Nobody cares? Okay, I don't think those side skirts are gonna work out.
What?
Look at the front fender. They don't reach. I think this is why we didn't install them that last time. It's because we had the fenders on and we were having trouble putting them on. I like how you guys are wearing the same sweater today. And almost the same pants. No, not the pants, but...
Rob, when do you think you can pay me? Well, let me see. What are you talking? What do you think? Well, I don't know. I'll tell you what. Hey, Rob, you talking payments or you talking in full? Well, Batman, I could do payments. You know, I could probably start next month, but if you want it in full, I just need a little time. So what the?
That makes sense.
You're talking March? For full? Holy Christ. Holy, 2 months.
I don't even know why he gave the option. But
I know.
anyways, Rob asked him, when do you think you can pay me? And Batman, really confident, is all like, you want payments or you want in full? Like as in like, all right, well if it's in full, you know, give me about a week or 2. If it's payments, I can give you $100 now. I give you $10 now and $50 tomorrow and on your Friday, you know?
Yeah.
But no. So then Rob goes, how does payment work? He's like, well, if you want payments, I can start next month. So, damn. So then Rob goes, man, if those are payments starting next month, I wonder what full is looking like.
What is full look?
2021. 2021. Here we come.
Oh.
We just started 2020. Now we're looking forward to 2021. So, there's a little story time there for you guys. A little truck story time. We're gonna take this to the store. So yep, you guys see the bed, it's empty. There is no air compressor.
Nada back there.
So we returned the air compressor to the store and they were supposed to replace it. But Dum Dum over here
That's not true. There's no dumb.
decided to ask for a...
I didn't ask for a refund.
Excuse my language. He decided to ask for a refund.
I didn't ask for a refund.
I don't know why he would ask for a refund if we need a damn compressor still. So now we're going home empty-handed, and I hope you feel good about it.
I do. You know why? Because I didn't ask for a refund.
He asked for a refund. So now, not only do we gotta source a truck down the week again, but we gotta source help again because it's heavy, and we gotta come to the same store to pick up the same compressor. So ain't that some shit?
Comment below another air compressor brand that's 60 gallons.
This guy, by now you guys should already know how this guy is. He's just anti-biased for everything. If I get this, he says, why didn't you get this? But if I get that, then he says, why didn't you get this? So he's never a satisfied man. So no matter if you get what he says, he's gonna say, why didn't you get this instead? And why didn't you get this instead? So, screw you.
What are you doing?
No, it's true. Right now he's talking about a Tractor Supply air compressor.
And
But if
you're
I would have
so
bought in the
right.
Tractor Supply air compressor, guess what he would have said? Why'd you get this cheap ass looking shit? You should have gotten that Cobalt.
Hey, the cuss words.
Well, these cuss words come out when
Hey,
they're meant to come out. But anyways, we're gonna end this here because I'm kind of pissed off here. We're going home with no damn compressor, and not only that, but we still gotta come back and get a damn compressor. And it's not like it's not heavy, so yeah.
Hello.
We're out. Laters.
Yeah.
Peace. Thank you guys for watching.
Back to the crib.
Like, comment, subscribe.